Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at a product from Mophie. Big shout out to them for actually sending this out to me. This is the Mophie Powerstation PD XL. So let's start the video. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so today we're going to take a look at a power bank from Mophie. This is the PowerStation PD XL, external battery with USB Type-C, PD, 8 watt fast charge, and it is with Type-C, so that's definitely always a plus. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. A charger with an 18 watt, and the standard charger that you get in the box is only 5 watts at a time. So this definitely will be a plus when it comes to your phones or to your tablets or to your whatever you have that has a connection for Type-C and Type-A as well, because you do have an additional port right there. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. I haven't unboxed a Mophie product on the channel yet. I'm not really sure, so let's just see what you get in the box. Alright, so definitely not the proper way to unbox it, but here's the power bank itself right here. We do have a nice little feeling on the top. Let's see what else you have in the box besides the power bank. Here's the power bank right here. We have the logo for Mophie right on the left side. 4 LED indicators. It looks like it's half charged. A nice little grip on the top and bottom. Definitely is cool. So let's see what else you get in the box. So you do get a Type-C cable to charge it. It does have the logo branding for Mophie on both clips here. So it's a Type-C to Type-C. So you're able to charge your Type-C stuff. Or if you want to use the Type-A, you could definitely use that to charge your iPhones. Alright guys, and also we do have a little manual guide of how to use the power bank, but it's pretty simple. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so we do have a 10,050 milliamp battery, and it does have a total output of 23 watts max, so you definitely will get a fast charge. I am definitely impressed with this. You do have the fast charging logo right there for Type-C and for Type-A, so I'm definitely impressed with this. It's a little bit heavy, but not too much. I'm definitely digging the fact that it has the grips on here, but if you guys want to pick this up, this is the PowerStation PD XL. I will have a link down below if you guys are interested. So if you guys want to purchase this, the link will be down below. Once again, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Mophie products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Pretty soon.